Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. I got 50 pounds of various lithium ion batteries came in the mail today from Battery Hookup. I bought 5 10-pound lots of batteries. They were $8 a lot. You can't get a better deal than that anywhere in the world. By the way, I'll put the link down below if you want to find some. They have the best battery deals, lithium ion battery deals, anywhere in the world that I've ever seen. I opened the boxes, and then I was going to take them apart, and I realized, you know what? I need to do this on video. This is too exciting. There's an empty piece, but there's circuit boards, there's batteries, this looks like four flat packs with 3 circuit boards. There's a little battery, a cute little, they're all lithium ion. So let me get the camera on a tripod and let's open these together. This is just too exciting to not put on video. So let's start out here. I'm going to open these up. Some of it I'll do in fast forward. Some of it we'll talk about. Like this. Look at this thing. Obviously they got them taped off. They do prepare their batteries safely for shipping. There are 16 gold-plated power leads on the end of this, 3 circuit boards, and 4 flat packs in here. It's all sealed, so I have no idea what each pack is. I can only maybe take one of these apart later to figure it out. But there is a plus and minus. I'll check that out with a meter. But I'm gonna set these aside based on what I find. Look at this cute little thermocell rechargeable battery. It's got a very simple two wires, plus and minus. Very simple. This is 3.7 volts, 3.7 watt hours. Basically 1 amp, 1000 milliamp hours. This tiny, look at this tiny little thing, and half that's the packaging. This tiny little thing. I'm going to open one of these up later. I think I'm going to have a series of videos on these battery packs because these are so cool. Here is Sonitor Technologies 3 volts battery pack. This one says bad. 3.0 volts. No idea, but if nothing else, there's gold in these. There's a lot of gold to be recycled from these things, if nothing else. They all say bad, so I'll be curious to see what I can do with them. Here's another. Oh, this is Dell. 3.7 volts, 7 watt hours. Little battery. Oh, what is that little connector? There's an odd, tiny little connector on there. Some proprietary thing. There's another Dell. So I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of same type batteries in some of these. Now look at this. That's something off a battery pack. We'll have to find the rest of that. But we got some gold. If nothing else, we got gold. Even the some of the solder points in some of these circuit boards has gold, but there's gold. Might be able to do some recovery. There's another cover to something. Hopefully the rest of the pieces are in here. Look at this. Here's a little battery. No identification. Oh, wait, there's something. Molicel. That's all it says. Another one of these little guys. Doesn't say bad. Here's another different type. Motorola. There's a Motorola. 3.7 volts. 1850 milliamp hours. 7 watt hours. Oh, there's a smaller one of them. There's a bunch of these little guys. I hope some of them are good. There's these cute little ones. Well, I'm not yet to the bottom. I'm about 2/3 done. These are really cute. I love these little 3 volts. They do measure 3.1 to 3.2 volts, although it says 3.0 volts. So I'm not sure why they did that. I got some of these flat packs, which I love. I bought some of these actually from the battery hookup before. I got some Molicel 18650s taped together. Feel like good quality. And a bunch of these flat packs, 4 batteries together. I opened one up. I'm going to very, very carefully show you. I think it's a 2S2P because it measured just over 8 volts on the leads. I took the tape off to expose the wire. 3 circuit boards. A lot of gold on that board. A lot of gold on those boards. So I'm not sure. I can certainly take these apart. There's another board, another circuit board. I could certainly take these apart and have 4 individual cells and then either recycle or sell off the boards once I figure out what they do and how they work. There's a few blown cells which are garbage. There's a lot of these Dells here. And hard to get on the camera. There's a whole bubble wrap bag full of these batteries here. Now this is an odd thing. The case is positive and the tiny little end there is negative. And there's a whole mess of these. I'll count them later on. That's some of the same as these over here. And I got some BMS boards. I'll see if I can grab one out of here. There's a whole bubble wrapped thing full of it's awkward because there's long leads on these. I do believe these are BMS boards because it says B1, 2, and 3. There's thermal leads on there and a push button. I don't know what that's about. It's odd. There's 5 diodes and a push button with this ribbon that goes onto the back of this. Not sure what that's about, but definitely some BMS boards which I might be able to use, recycle, or sell. So I'm going to keep on going. These little guys are my favorites and I'm happy there's a bunch of them. And a lot of oddballs. But definitely a lot of power. Well, there's one box, so that's 2.5 orders. I count 260 batteries here. And that's not counting individual cells in a pack. Here alone, there's 4 per pack. So I'm counting a pack as 1. So there's 260 batteries. This is a 2-pack. So there's 2 cells in a pack. So if you count the individual battery cells, there's got to be like 300 batteries in here. These here are really neat. They're 4,000 milliamp hours at rated 15.4 watt hours per pack, and there's 2 per Ziploc. I guess they did that just to protect them. But that's a lot of power. So I'm guessing there's 2 in one of these packs. There is a massive amount of power here on this table. And I paid $40 for 50 pounds of batteries. 3 were burst, way over here. 3 of them had been puffed out. Oddly, 3 of the exact same kind, so they were junk. Don't know why they included them in a kit. But other than that, I've taken random measurements. I've been at this for like an hour and a half. It was a blast. It was fun. I've taken random voltage measurements as I worked, checking out different things, and I think a lot of them are going to be usable. These are my favorites, these cute little tiny things. Some are marked bad, but who knows what the reason. If I can find one of the cell is out. It's such a tiny little thing. I don't know the capacity. It's ultralife. So I'm going to look these up online with the model number. See if I can find the capacity. They're tiny little batteries. I like it. I'll probably take them out of the plastic casing but leave this on because it's got the nice terminals there I can solder to them. Gold plated. But they're pretty cool little set packs. I like them. They're cute. These are also some of my favorites because they're 4.4 amp hour batteries, and there's a lot of power in them. I can use them for solar or for bike packs. There's a lot. No idea what's in these. I'm gonna have to tear them apart. And a whole mess of these were in a bubble wrap. Very nice little Panasonic. I don't know what their capacity, though. I'll have to look them up because they're all worn off just from the label wasn't inked on very well. And then here's a whole mess of almost the same thing but a little thinner. They have a negative tiny little terminal there, and the case is positive. Very unusual. Well, anyway, that's half of my order. That's just 25 pounds, so that's 2.5 orders. So just $20. I paid $20 plus shipping for this. Oh, and all the BMS boards. I paid $20 for all of this. Don't even know what's in here yet. I'm gonna undo that. Somebody had cut one open for whatever reason. There's 2 circuit boards in this and some kind of a flat pack. Actually, it looks like, I'm wondering if that looks pink. I'm betting that's what these are from. I'll be curious to find out. So, I have a whole box to open. This is a blast. I've got some of the peanuts out, and I see some of them are going to be the same as the other pack. There's something unusual here. Wow. Heavy duty metal. Plastic casing. Heavy. Wow. So, I'll start unloading this, but there's no room on the table for the camera. This is going to be 50 pounds of batteries, so I'm going to have to use the more stable part of the table where the camera was sitting before. And there's no room around me for the tripod. So, I'll continue on, and we'll be back in a little bit from time to time and see what we got. Wow. Hours and hours of entertainment sorting these out. Now there's what 50 pounds of batteries look like. That is only $40 what I paid. There must be thousands of dollars in batteries. There's a little junk pile here, some burst batteries and some garbage. Other than that, over here I put little RC type batteries I'm going to give to a friend. I'm probably going to give him all these oddballs. I'm not going to use any of those oddballs. I'm looking at building battery packs for powering my off-grid homestead and wood shop and electronics lab and e-bikes. So I'm looking more at this is the money right here. Each one of these bags holds 2 battery packs, and I think each one was rated at 4,000 milliamp hours. So that's like 8,000 milliamp hours right there. No, this one was a little bit lower. These are the 4,000 milliamp hours. These here. And these were 4,000 milliamp hours. These must be, I'll have to double check. There's somewhere in there. There's some things on the labels, and somewhere I had one. Here it is. 3,300 milliamp hours. So, really nice, really nice. These are like 22 to 2,700 milliamp hours. I'm guessing these are going to be the same. And sure enough, that is what's inside these. These have got to be high quality because these are Philips Medical Systems battery packs. So these are really exciting. I'm going to look them up. I hope that they are rechargeable. It says lithium ion battery. I'm guessing they are. Disappointing my favorite little guys here are single-use batteries. So, you know, there's no guarantee what you're going to get in these packs. A lot of these do have a good charge, and if nothing else, there's gold. And, we'll see if I might find a use for them somewhere in something. I don't know if you can charge them up safely or not. Everybody says no, but some people do it. We'll see. I've got a lot of these Dells. I'm going to have to open some of them up, and I think we'll have some individual videos on individual battery packs later on, because this is a lot. It'd be too much for one video, but it's so exciting. Look, there's a lot of these camera packs and RC batteries. There's some, look, I believe these are brand new. Novatel wireless, 3000 milliamp hours. There's 3 of them. There's some 18650s. There's some alkaline batteries. What are you doing there? Oh, there's another BlackBerry. I was trying to sort everything out by like. There's a lot of these symbol. So I'm trying to sort things out in related groupings before I pack them away, so I know what's what. But really cool. I recognize this. That's a Hero 4 battery. A lot of camera type batteries. So, but this right here is what I'm interested in. In this second box, I had a lot of this RAE. It could also be medical industry type things. I'll look them up. 3.7 volts lithium ion packs. They're heavy, heavy, heavy. 6 watt hours. These are incredibly heavy built battery packs. Look to be some high-end stuff, especially by the feel. Really heavy stuff. So I'll be looking all this up online. Anything I find is really cool and unique, I will be sharing with you. All of this was one type of cell. And then there's 4 in a pack here, and I'll be looking this up too. This is a Thoratec battery backup. Thoratec backup batteries. So these are all battery packs with some nice looking circuit boards on here. And if nothing else, there's a lot of gold on those things. The circuit board has got gold all over the place on them, and the contacts, of course. I am very much interested in the cells more than as a pack, because I'm going to be putting together my own power banks and power packs. But that's really awesome. And then, of course, the electronics that I got and some extra wires. That is $40. There must be thousands of dollars here. By the way, I've got a link down below to go to Battery Hookup and get your own incredibly discounted batteries. There is no guarantee on this, but come on, $8 for 10 pounds of batteries. You can't complain. I'll be going through and figuring out what's good, what's not, what's usable, what I can put together. Lots and lots. There's hundreds of hours of fun and work here on my table for $40. You use the link I provide down below in the description of the comments, and you get 5% discount on every purchase. As long as you use the link DIY Tube, the coupon code DIY Tube, all caps, you get 5% off every purchase. So just write that down and remember it and use it at checkout. And I get a little bit too, so you'll be supporting me, and I thank you for that. But I'm serious, if you check out their prices, you are not going to be disappointed. I bought these with my own money for my own use, and I'm just that excited about it. Look at that. That is a lot. It's going to take me hours to figure out where to put them all, because I'm going to keep them sorted. These ones here really excite me, and all of these types here, because there's so many of each type. They really excite me. I can't wait to see these thermocells, what they're going to be like. They're cute little batteries. I really hope they don't disappoint me. 3.7 watt hours. So 1,000 milliamp hours. Well, stay tuned for more battery videos and a lot of other stuff to come. Please like this video. Leave a comment below. Check out the prices on the links. And subscribe if you haven't. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. It's like a Christmas time for geeks right here, I'm telling you. I am excited. Talk to you later.